Okay, good day to you, Miss Grace. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
My name is Grace Velvet. I'm a 24 years old single parent. I'm a college level, taking up HRM, Hotel and Restaurant Management undergraduate.
And you work as domestic helper in what country?
Here in Philippines, sir, madam.
For how many years?
2 years, sir, madam.
For how many members of the family?
There are 4.
Okay.
Sir, madam.
Why you did not renew your contract with your previous employer?
I apply another job, sir, madam.
Okay, what is your main duty from your previous employer?
I do all household chores like cleaning, washing, and cooking.
Okay, may we know the age of the child you take care of?
They are 3 years old.
Okay. What are the most important things in taking care of the children? Okay, I will repeat the question. What are the most important things in taking care of the children?
Teaching them how to read, to count, and to sing.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery rhyme for the children?
Yes, sir, madam.
Can you give us an example?
I have 2 hands, the right and the left, holding a pie, so clean and bright. Clap and softly, 1, 2, 3, clean with the hands I go to see.
Okay, thank you for that song. So, can you manage to take a newborn baby?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you know how to bath the baby?
Yes, sir, madam.
How about feeding the baby?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, are you willing to get up early and sleep late at night to attend the baby's needs?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, what would you do to provide a good service to your future employer?
I serve to...
Can you promise that you will be responsible?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, what made you decide to work in Hong Kong?
I decide to work in Hong Kong to the future of my family and my daughter.
Okay, how long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
2 years, sir, madam.
Okay, if they ask you to extend your stay, if you will stay?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, do your parents allow you to work abroad?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer, Miss Grace?
Yes, sir, madam.
Okay.
I promise to do my job well. I'm a hardworking, I'm a honest, and I will do all my duties.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Grace, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Now, before we end, kindly show us your best smile. Okay, thank you for coming.